doing good? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a journal and blank pages on Canva as a beginner, quick and easy. The first thing you want to do is go onto canva.com. Once on Canva, I want you to tap on the search icon and you're going to type in journal cover. After selecting journal cover, you will be redirected to the templates page. And from here, you can choose any one of these templates that you would like to edit to create your journal cover. Keep in mind that the templates that says Pro, you would need to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But there are numerous templates that you can use for completely free. Let's say, for example, I were to use this one. After selecting the cover that you like, you'll tap on Customize this template. Then from here, you can add your own personal touches. So for the sake of time, the only thing that I'm going to be changing is the name right here. So I'll change the name to Simple Answers. So let me do that real quick. After you have added your own personal touches, what you're going to do next, you're going to tap on Share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Download, and you want to ensure that you have selected PNG, and you're going to tap on Download. Once you have downloaded the cover that you would like to use, what I want you to do next is open a new tab and you're going to go onto bookho.com. I will be leaving a link in the description that you can use to go onto it. Once on bookho.com, which is a free website, you don't need to sign up or anything like that, you're going to tap on KDP Cover Template Generator. The reason why I recommend that you go onto Bookho is because if you plan on selling your book, for example, on Amazon KDP, it needs to be of a specific size and it has certain requirements. With the KDP cover template, you'll be certain that you're meeting those requirements. For example, if we were to go onto Amazon, here's an example of a blank template and you can preview it. It has 160 pages right there and you can see the size and so on. So to meet these requirements, you'll need to go onto Bookho. From here, you'll scroll down and you can select the width that you would like to use. So for example, let's say I would like to create a book the same size as this one. So you can see it is 5.7 by 8 inches. So I'm going to be doing that right there. So I'm going to tap right here. And for example, I can put in 5.7, or I'll just use the regular 8, better yet. So I'm going to simply go right there, 8.5. Then the height, put it at 11. After you have done that, you want to ensure that you have entered the page, the amount of pages that you plan on using. So I'm going to be leaving it at 30 pages. And then you want to select the page type, whether it is a white page or cream or colored. I'm going to leave it at white. Then you can leave the other two sections blank. After doing that, you're going to tap here and you're going to enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address, you'll tap on Maybe Next Time. Then you're going to tap on Continue. What you'll need to do next is go into your email inbox and you're going to see a template and you can quickly download the template. Now, after downloading the template, I want you to pay attention to the top left-hand corner where you see the full cover size including bleed. And by the way, the bleed would be this middle section right here. So this is the front cover and this is the back cover. Now you're going to go back onto Canva and you're going to tap on Custom Size in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on Custom Size, you're first going to change the unit from px to mm. After you have changed the unit, you're going to enter this size, which is 439 for me, 439.87. So let me do that real quick. Then you'll tap on Create New Design. After selecting Create New Design, you'll be redirected to a new page. And you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Uploads. After selecting Uploads, from here, you can tap on Upload Files. And you're going to upload the KDP template and you're also going to upload the book cover that you had created. So let me do that real quick. After you have done that, you're going to drag and place the book cover on the book. You're going to drag and place the book cover on the page and you want to set it as image background. After you have done that, this is how it looks at the moment. You're going to select the entire page, then you're going to tap on transparency from the top of the page, and you're going to pull the transparency to like 30. You want it to be slightly faded. Then you're going to add your book cover. So you can simply pull on it right here and adjust the size. Remember that this is the bleed section, so you want to adjust the size appropriately. So you can do that right there. You can extend the size of the cover by simply pulling on it, as you can see right here. So let me do that real quick so you can see it there. Once you have adjusted the size, all you'll need to do now, you are going to tap on transparency once more from the top here, and you're going to select the entire page. Then you're going to tap on transparency, and you can carry to 0. So this would be the cover front, the cover of our book, and we can add something to the back of the cover if you want. So I could go over to the top left hand corner, tap on elements, and let's say I were to add a random element. Let's say for example this, better this one. I can simply tap on it, then I can adjust the size, and I'm going to be placing it right there. After you have done that, since you're creating blank pages, you can simply tap on add page, and you can do that for the 30 times. Since we are adding 30 pages, if you were adding more pages, you can tap on that. After you have done that, you could also change the color of the page. So if it is not a white blank page you would like to use, you can select the page, tap on background color in the top left hand corner, and from here, for example, you could select gray, you could select beige, or so on. You could change the color of the page before adding the pages. Once you're finished, you'll tap on share in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on download, and you're going to change the file type from PNG, and you're going to change it to PDF print. Once you have done that, you'll tap on download, and from there you have now created your journal. And it's as easy as that. You can continue to upload it onto Amazon KDP, or you can upload it on other platforms, for example like Gumroad or so on. And you can see right here, we have now created our journal with blank pages. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful and informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Once you have done that, you'll tap on download, and from there you have now created your journal. And it's as easy as that. You can continue to upload it onto Amazon KDP, or you can upload it on other platforms, for example like Gumroad or so on. And you can see right here, we have now created our journal with blank pages. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful and informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.